On this episode of Clyde's Cache, we go to the Washington State History Museum in Tacoma, Washington. We see ancient stone tools, make our own cartoons, and get a tour of Washington through the view of model trains. Stick around. So they found all this stuff together?
Yeah.
They found it on a farm.
I can't see.
And they found it along with these right here, see? And those are made out of mammoth bones.
So those are...
So whoever made all these Clovis points, it was long enough ago to where they could harvest bones from a mammoth to use as tools.
That is so cool.
And here, come look.
Whoa. Wait, it has like the stuff around it.
It's so sharp.
Yeah.
There you go. Good job, Betty.
This is as far as I want to go.
Good job, Betty.
Oh. Whoopsie. I didn't know this was fart rock. Look at all these hand-weaved baskets.
Oh my gosh.
Some of them, they're all made by hand, Clyde.
Yeah.
Some of them are so tightly weaved that you could keep water inside.
Like that one right there?
Maybe.
Mommy?
You want to sit in the wagon?
That was okay.
Yeah.
Hey, come look. That thing is like apple.
Yeah, you can buy some apples, candlestick holders, shoes, books, clothes,
Are those apples real?
soap, salt, flour, oysters,
Boots.
Oregon lard. Okay, here's the mine shaft. Look at the little miniature ones. They're little mice. Look at these tools. There's a headlamp from the late 1800s. And look, it's not a battery powered light. They had to put oil in there and then light it with a lighter. So your headlamp was actually just a flame. So when you came to work,
Yeah.
you put your number on the board
Yeah.
so that when it was time to close the mine for the day,
Yeah.
and they came in here and still saw that somebody's number was on here,
Yeah.
that would mean they'd have to go look for that person.
Okay.
So all these workers are in the mine.
Should we try to find them? Please.
It says keep out. A little bit.
You see any?
Imprint right there.
That's a Ford.
An old Ford truck. Maybe.
Is that a giant into normal sized people?
This way.
Hey, wait, great. Can I whack one of them?
What Saturday morning cartoon series was Marvel Comics' second attempt at an animated series if their first attempt was not picked up?
That was snappy.
I say X-Men.
No, it's not Marvel. Oh, wow. Good job, right? Okay, take a picture first. Okay. Now take another picture. Okay. Okay.
Oh, look right in front of us.
He must have come from up there. Oh, look, there goes a long one back there. And it's there.
Oh yeah. It's fishing too. Oh, here comes the train.
Oh, the tunnel? Oh,